gonna do a bike check. Okay, we'll start from top to bottom. First we'll start with the handlebars. We've got some purple ODI long necks with the ODI bar ends on both sides. For the handlebars we've got some 10-inch Colony Tenacious bars, chrome. So they're higher than normal bars, you can stock bars you get on normal BMX. Yeah, I've turned the frame around so it has the good side. For the frame, it's a normal Colony frame. It goes down the Colony black frame in the front side. Stem, we've got some gloss purple Academy front loader stem. For the seat, we've got a Academy stock black leather seat. Down the forks, got some stock Colony forks that goes down top. Gloss purple Academy hub and spokes, and a Academy front wheel and Academy stock front tyre. This cranks is Academy stock cranks and stolen thermalite pedals, purple. The back wheel is Academy hub, Academy back rim, it's a bit worn out, and tyre is Assault BMX pitch back tyre put on backwards. I don't know why it's on backwards, but that's my bike check. Thank you for watching and bye.